Hello. Now let's go be serious this time. This is a Boofodle slime. Just look at this. Boofodle. And now go subscribe to
Golden Night Guard.
It's a beautiful YouTube channel, just Boofodle. Look at this. Go. Look at this mole.
My first comment I ever got on any of my videos was hate.
What was it called?
It was on a Temmie video. I didn't have any Temmie plushies, so I used a Mew plushie.
Here. Was that a raindrop?
Raindrop, drop, drop, something like a ding, cricket, a feast.
Beautiful. This is.
My name is Jacksepticeye.
Oh my god, we don't know these names! Whatever, go subscribe to him, I guess.
Subscribe to Jacksepticeye. Comment if you did in the comments.
Just please don't, take down this video, please.
Don't take down this video, Jack. We love you.
Dance.
I never danced. I was innocent.
This is Boofodle slime.
Guilty until proven innocent.
Oh, that is glitter. That's Brook slime. That's good. Well, glitter in it.
How did you make this slime? Tell us now.
Well, we used 2 things of glitter glue, water and detergent. That didn't freaking work, so we put some of Angelina's slime in the mix. So that's 2 things of glitter glue plus a fluffy slime.
It was epic.
What is fluffy slime?
It's slime that feels fluffy.
Raindrop drop.
I'm gonna eat this.
You're gonna get poisoned.
Alright.
You're gonna die and see no Maya, no Trin anymore.
Oh.
And you won't know if me and Trin end up getting together.
I want to see what happens.
You can die after. Just not now.
Okay. Look what I made.
No! No.
Okay.
It's a cat. Every time our song comes on. Okay. That was done. It's starting to rain. Barely, but whatever. Welcome to the rice fields, mother. Anyway, that's 5 seconds. Well, that's all of my video. This is basically the oh no shit. Just if you're wondering what Canadian coins look like, here you go. Here you go. Yep. Okay, let's go up to say goodbye, you peoples.
What? Boy.
Say good boy.
Bye, people.